In this video, let's take a look at how implementing a WAF helped organizations protect themselves from potential cyber attacks. This is a case study on a popular bank holding company, Capital One, that was targeted in 2019 to embezzle sensitive information of customers. The breach had exposed 100 million credit card details with names and other personal data. This also led to compromising 140,000 social security numbers, 80,000 bank account numbers, credit scores, and transaction data. The breach was caused by exploiting a vulnerability in a web application firewall that was protecting Capital One's cloud-based infrastructure. Soon after the data breach, Capital One took measures and invested in implementing a WAF to stay protected. This stands as an example to help organizations understand the importance of implementing a WAF to secure their websites from increasing sophisticated cyber attacks in the future. For more insights on WAF implementations and to understand its vitality, stay tuned to our channels.